Finally tonight to a special homecoming for a new centenarian. A woman who was born on a small Gaeltacht island off the northwest coast returned there today to celebrate her 100th birthday. Maggie McFadden, who spent much of her life on Inis Bó Finne, County Donegal, attributes her longevity to hard work and faith.
Off the Donegal coast, Inis Bó Finne was once a thriving island community.
Hey, Maggie.
A century after she was born on this Gaeltacht island, this morning Maggie McFadden returned, welcomed by family and friends. She led them back to the place where she spent many of her years.
I love to come in here. I love it so much. I'll never forget it. Oh, I hope this is not my last run. I want to come in here many more times.
When Maggie was born in 1926, Inis Bó Finne had a population of 136.
Well, my mother died tragically at 29 when I was just 5 weeks old. I was the youngest of 5 children. So Maggie took me and reared me with her mother and her sister in Glasgow until in the late 60s to live here then.
She's given so much in all those years to a lot of the islanders here, and it's wonderful to see the community gathered around her today, giving back to her as well and thanking her for the beautiful gift of her life and everything that she has been and done for them up until now.
A mass in her honour heard tributes to a long life well lived.
She's a character, she's so funny, she's very cheeky, she's very loving and caring as well.
As the day ended, there was time for a birthday cake in the island hall.
The grey mór ogin the granny.
Image go says the Ben Station Ellen la granny and you for your bracelet sticky.
For Maggie McFadden, her 100th birthday was marked where it all began.
My heart's up in the air. I'm very, very happy. I would spend all day on the sea. I love the sea.
Shino Corrine, RTE News, Inis Bó Finne, County Donegal.